Hey guys, I'm Shreya and today I am here with a new coding video, Draw with Binary. So let's start. Here, Draw with Binary. Do you know binary is a way of representing information using only two options, in this case off and on. Here we are going to use the number 0 as code for off and the number 1 as code for on. The 0 number will represent the block black and the 1 will represent the block yellow. So let's start. So in the puzzle number 1, let's first listen this.
We've provided you with a grid of pixels that you can walk through and make designs by turning on only certain squares. Use the blocks below to have the artist draw 01010101 in binary in the first row.
So now, here the 0, we will put the code. First we will put the blocks draw with binary and there we will put the code 01, 01, 01 and 01. And now let's check if it's working. As you all can see it worked. Now let's come to puzzle number 3. So here let me first remove these blocks. So here as you all can see the first, third and the 5th and the 7th line are same and the 2nd, the 4th, the 6th and the 8th line are same. So here we will put the repeat block also. So first we will put the 2 times the draw binary block and for the first line we will put 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0. Then we will put again another draw binary block and there we will write 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 and we will repeat it 4 times. It's working. Now let's come to activity number 4. So here it's very easy. As you all can see the lines are same and there are 8 lines. So we will repeat that 8 times. We will first choose a block and the block will be third one 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 and we will repeat it 8 times. Now let's see if it's working. It's working. Now let's come to puzzle 5. So now in puzzle number 5, as you all can see, the first, the 4th and the 7th line are same. So we will have to give the draw binary block 3 times. So now let's put the code. For the first line we will put there 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. Then we will put another draw binary block and there we will write 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. Then we will write for the third line we will write 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 and we will repeat this 3 times. Now let's see if it's working. In puzzle 6, there is a smiley. The code is given but there are 2 incorrect codes. We have to make them right. For the first, second, third and 4th line the code is correct. But for the 5th line we have to correct it. The code for the 5th line will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Then the code for the second last line is also incorrect. The code for that will be 0 0 4 times 1 and 0 0. Now let's check if it's working. Now let's come to puzzle number 7. In puzzle 7, as you all can see, the first, the fourth and the seventh line are same. So here also we will repeat this code 3 times, and we will put the draw binary block also 3 times. So for the first line we will put the code 11001011. For the second line we will put 00101100, and for the third line we will put 10110010. Now let's check. In puzzle number 8, it's the first and the fifth, the first and the sixth line are same. So we will have to repeat the code only 2 times. So here we will put the draw binary block 5 times. So for the first line we will give the code 10110101. Second line we will put 10101101. Third line we will put 011011011. For the fourth line we will put 010111010, and for the last line we will put 11011010. Now let's check if it's working. It's working. Now let's come to the puzzle number 9. So it's easy. For the first 4 lines the code's given and it's correct. Then we have to put the code for the last 4 lines. So we will put the draw binary block 4 times again. For the first line, fifth line, we will put the code 010101 and 01. For the sixth line we will put the code 0101101. Seventh line we will put 010000 and 1, and for the last line we will put 0111111. Now let's check. It's right. Now let's come to the last activity. In this, we have to take a close look at the code below and which image will it create after we click run. So it's the code will be repeated 9 times. The draw binary is 0111110. So I think it should be the D part. Now we will choose the D part, and then we will run it. Let me run it again for you. So this code is fine, perfect. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share and hit the bell icon.